Welcome everyone, it's Chris with Haven Lighting. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of our full color path light. It's a brass model, comes complete with a shade. These shades come in different variety of styles, so you can visit our website and select which style of shade that you prefer. In the box is the main stem. It comes with waterproof wire connections made by Haven. These are very high quality, will keep water out in any condition when used in your installation. Very important. Instructions where the QR code is there. If you have any questions on the product, we have videos there that go over in detail how to zone, how to do things like that. And here is the main full color stem. We'll get to that in a minute. It comes with an 8-inch very sturdy stake. And the stem comes complete with full color LED options. So you can, using our 9 series transformer, you can control with your phone, change it to any color you want, schedule it year round to do different things at different holidays, things like that. One of the very cool features about this product is that if you ever have an issue, the ease of changing a fixture. One of the most time-consuming parts of changing a fixture, that if you've ever done it, is redoing the wiring and things like that. And with this path light, you don't have to do any of that. All you need to do to change the module is take off this top piece, unscrew this piece, and then pull this piece out. It's got a very quick connect inside. Take the module out, put the new module in. It drops right back down in. Oops. Screw this piece back on, put this back on, and you're all set and ready to go. So that fast, super innovative, very cool. And then to put the shade on, all you do is unscrew this piece, put the shade through the hole, align the holes, and then put the screw back on. So there you have it, 9 series full color path light. Some very cool innovations in this product, and we're very excited to launch the new quick change connector to the market. Thanks for watching.